Hey Tech Stocks aficionados, welcome to the Monday edition of the Tech Stocks Daily Podcast. Buckle up because today we're diving into Google's explosive collaborations with Wipro, YouTube's new sleep timer that's a game changer, and the highly anticipated Pixel 9 launch in India. Oh, and don't miss out on Palantir's bullish earnings spike and why it's the talk of the town. Plus, EverCommerce is making waves at upcoming investor conferences, and Trump media's volatile stock adventures amid political intrigue. Stay tuned for the latest and greatest in the tech world. Hey tech enthusiasts, buckle up, because today we've got some sizzling hot news from the tech giant Google that you don't want to miss. Google has stirred the tech pot in more ways than one today, making headlines not just for their innovations, but also for their collaborations. Let's dive right in, starting with Wipro's expanded alliance with Google Cloud. Wipro has officially announced an expansion of its long-term strategic partnership with Google Cloud, and the focus this time, artificial intelligence. Wipro is going all in, integrating Google Cloud AI's new Vertex AI and Gemini models into their workflow. The goal, to supercharge developer productivity, enhance cloud migrations, and deliver cutting-edge GenAI solutions. This means Wipro will train its workforce using these AI tools, aiming to up their productivity by a game-changing 30%. The initiative will see Wipro building new industry solutions, utilizing the might of Gemini models, and also developing joint go-to-market programs. Excitingly, they'll integrate the Gemini Code Assist into their own internal tools to speed up application development for customers. Think of it as AI on steroids, pushing Wipro's capabilities into hyperdrive. Add to that, they've got rapid prototyping plans lined up to fine-tune internal applications. They're essentially putting the pedal to the metal on digital transformation. Joe DeBecker, the managing partner and global head of Wipro Fullstride Cloud, summed it up beautifully. He said that with this expanded relationship, Wipro can help clients ramp up their cloud-run businesses and adapt to an AI-driven future like never before. Kevin Parani from Google Cloud couldn't agree more, hailing this partnership as key to driving digital transformation across Wipro and its extensive client base. Kudos to that. Next up, YouTube is adding a cozy new feature to its bag of tricks, a sleep timer. For all you night owls and binge watchers, YouTube's new sleep timer is here to help. It's currently in the testing phase and exclusive to premium members. Premium users can now set timers ranging from as short as 10 minutes up to an hour, and the video will pause automatically once the timer hits 0. Think of it as your new bedtime buddy, making sure your battery isn't gulping juice while you snooze. The feature is available on mobile and desktop versions, but TV users will have to wait as this feature is not yet available on those screens. If the playback stops and you've still got energy left for another video, a pop-up will give you the option to extend the timer. This not only saves your device's battery, but also protects the sanctity of your watch history from unnecessary autoplay mishaps. Fingers crossed for a wider rollout soon. Rounding up today's update is the news about Google's upcoming Pixel 9 series. Mark your calendars because these shiny new gadgets will hit Indian e-marketplaces on August 14. Google has proudly announced through its India-focused online channels that the Pixel 9 Pro and the foldable Pixel 9 Pro Fold will be up for grabs. Here's the juicy bit. Flipkart has spilled the beans early by listing the Pixel 9 Pro XL as well. It's expected to be a beefier, bigger screen sibling of the Pixel 9 Pro. Surprised? So are we. Google isn't officially chatting about the XL model just yet. The entry-level Pixel 9 will be equipped with 12 GB of RAM, while the Pro versions, including the foldable, will sport a whopping 16 GB. Storage nerds, take note. The base Pixel 9 will come with 128 GB and 256 GB options, while the Pro variants might just skip the smaller options altogether in favor of a 512 GB behemoth. So, from Wipro embracing future-proof AI, to YouTube's smart and snug feature, and the exciting Pixel 9 lineup debut, Google has definitely had a busy day. Stay tuned for more tech awesomeness coming your way. Folks, let's dive into today's tech new with a healthy serving of Palantir. It seems like those data wizards over at Palantir Technologies are grabbing headlines, and you might want to take notes because this could make your portfolio very happy. So what's the buzz about? Well, analysts are throwing up confetti because Palantir's earnings estimates are on the uptick. They're not just inching up, they're zooming up, like they've been fueled by rocket science. Hey, who knows? Maybe they have been. Here's the scoop. Over the last month, analysts have been busy feeding their crystal balls and have decided that Palantir should see a significant spike in earnings this quarter. They're estimating earnings per share to hit around 0.09 cents, which is a whopping 28.57% increase compared to last year's comparable quarter. Now, if that number doesn't make you sit up and take notice, then this might. Those estimates for the entirety of this fiscal year are expected to push 0.36 cents per share, an eye-popping 44% rise from last year. But wait, there's more. The positive earnings revisions haven't been a fluke, but an ongoing trend. Over the past 30 days, Palantir has seen 6 upward revisions in its earnings estimates without a single downward revision. When analysts agree on something that unanimously, it typically indicates good news for us stock market warriors. Palantir stock has already been climbing thanks to these robust estimates. Over the past 4 weeks alone, it has enjoyed a handsome 6.9% gain. That's like finding a very tasty slice of cake every time you check your portfolio. Those of you keeping a scorecard know that these boosts in earnings potential are often reflected in a rise in the stock price, which is why Palantir has captured the attention of investors. Analysts like to use the Zacks rank system to gauge whether stocks are worth buzzing about. And guess what? Palantir has earned itself a Zacks rank number 2. Stocks with this rating have a proven track record of outperforming the S&P 500, with the elite Zacks rank number 1 averaging an annual return of plus 25% since 2008. That's not just good, that's great, folks. So what does all of this mean for you? If you've been looking at Palantir as a potential addition to your portfolio, but haven't taken the plunge, these new earnings estimates are giving you the green light. The strong consensus among analysts and the upward memory of estimates signal that Palantir has a bright near-term future. In conclusion, Palantir's current trajectory shows promise that could boost your investment returns. A cluster of upbeat earnings revisions, significant expected growth, and a solid Zacks rank make it one of the stock market's star players at the moment. So keep your eyes peeled and maybe, just maybe, ensure Palantir finds its way into your portfolio. You wouldn't want to miss out on this promising data dynamo. Stay tuned for more illuminating news in the tech sphere. All right, folks, brace yourselves because EverCommerce is making headlines today. If you haven't heard of EverCommerce or EVCM on NASDAQ, then you're in for a treat. This incredible company is the go-to service commerce platform for over 690,000 service-based businesses across the globe. Whether you're in the field of home, health, or wellness, EverCommerce has a specialized brand just begging to make your life easier. EverPro, EverHealth, and EverWell. But why, you may ask, is EverCommerce hitting the news today? Well, mark your calendars because EverCommerce's dream team will be showcasing their genius strategies and vision at several prestigious investor conferences this August. They're not tipping their hats just anywhere. These aren't your regular humdrum events. We're talking about investor conferences that could potentially make stocks skyrocket and investors drool with excitement. Management is all set to share their insight, future growth plans, and yes, if you're a stockholder or just a curious market watcher, they'll provide intricate details about how their integrated SaaS solutions help these businesses soar to unprecedented heights. For those itching to catch this spectacle, you're in luck. The company has rolled out the red carpet, and you can easily access the live webcasts for these conferences via the investor relations section on their website. Isn't technology grand? If you're wondering what exactly EverCommerce does, let's dive into it. Imagine your local service professional, whether they're keeping your home spick and span, making sure you're in tip-top health, or ensuring your wellness routines are on point. That's where EverCommerce steps in with its state-of-the-art digital and mobile applications. They create smooth, predictable, and informed connections between customers and service providers. We're talking about increasing growth and streamlining operations like a hot knife through butter. They also boost customer retention by making sure every interaction is a thumb-up worthy experience. One crucial play in EverCommerce's gamebook is their ability to provide end-to-end business management software. We're talking everything from embedded payment systems to marketing technology and stellar customer experience applications. You could say they're the Swiss Army knife for service-based businesses, but that would be understating it. With August just around the corner, it's time to keep those browser tabs open and ready for some real-time action. If you're an investor, potential customer, or just a tech enthusiast, these investor conferences are the ultimate stage where EverCommerce will peel back the curtain, offering a peek at where the future is headed in the realm of service commerce. So, set those reminders and get ready to be wowed because EverCommerce is primed and prepped to take their game to the next level. Whether you're watching for market movements, business innovations, or just the sheer spectacle of it all, you won't be disappointed. And remember, everything kicks off in August, so don't miss it. All right, tech enthusiasts, grab your popcorn because today we're diving into the buzzing world of Trump Media and Technology Group Corp. Why, you ask? Because the company's stock has been the talk of the town for a couple of juicy reasons. First off, let's talk about that roller coaster ride some call stock performance. One word, volatile. DJT stock has seen highs and lows over the past year that would make even the steeliest of investors sweat bullets. We're talking a 52-week high at a nearly dizzying $79.38, while the floor has been a bone-chilling $22.55. Yep, you read that right, folks. What's cooking now, however, is a fascinating technical analysis nugget. The chart showing DJT stock is currently forming a descending triangle pattern. For those wondering what this geometric jargon means, it's basically a graph that looks like a wedge pointing downwards. And let me tell you, in trader talk, that usually screams, "Watch out below." The descending triangle hints that buyers are getting all zen and patient, while sellers are like, "Give me what I can get." Aggressive selling can overpower the support level, potentially moving the price lower. Stay sharp, traders. If you think that's all, you're in for a treat. It got even spicier last week when Trump Media reported its Q2 earnings. Picture this, $0.84 million revenue and $2.3 million in interest income. Not too shabby, right? They wrapped up the quarter with a fairly plush $344 million in cash, but had to stomach a GAAP net loss of a whopping $16.4 million. Yet in the roller coaster of investing, these valleys often come right before peaks or another decline. Who can say? Adding another layer to this intriguing story is the 2024 presidential race. With Joe Biden pulling out of the running, the spotlight is on Trump and Kamala Harris. Harris, invigorated by her California roots and Hollywood connections, seems poised to make it a fierce race. Meanwhile, the political zeitgeist has unexpectedly sprinkled some fairy dust on DJT stock, as many link its prestige to Trump's political magnetism. The stock saw a staggering 52% rise in the past year. Hopeful or wishful thinking? We'll let you be the judge. As if the drama weren't already top tier, DJT opened this Monday at $25.21, marking a 3.83% dip. Intrigued yet? Now it's your time to shine, my fantastic viewers. What are your thoughts on Trump media's wild ride? Are these technical patterns as daunting as they sound, or do you see an opportunity hidden in plain sight? Maybe you're more jazzed about the political angle. How do you think the 2024 race will impact DJT's performance? Share your thoughts and feelings in the comments below. I can't wait to read what you think. Hey folks, let's take a closer look at Palantir Technologies because wow, there's a lot of buzz and a lot to consider. Based on today's news, Palantir's earnings estimates are skyrocketing, which means analysts are getting really bullish on this stock. We're talking about a projected 28.57% increase in earnings per share for this coming quarter compared to last year, and an eye-popping 44% bump for the full fiscal year. Plus, with 6 upward revisions in the past month, Palantir's prospects are looking shinier than a new Tesla on a sunny day. Given these promising numbers, here's my take. If I were a new investor or someone looking to add to my portfolio, I'd seriously consider buying Palantir. The increases in earnings estimates coupled with the Zacks rank number 2 indicate that the stock might be in for some solid gains. A 6.9% climb over the past month harmonizes well with these projections, suggesting that there's more room for upward movement. Of course, it's crucial to stay grounded. Stocks can be unpredictable, and it's essential to do your own deep dive before making any moves. Monitor any upcoming announcements closely and see if the company continues to hit those upward revisions without any hiccups. Keep your ear to the ground. What's your take, guys? Are you ready to snap up some Palantir shares, sit tight, or maybe even take profits? Hit me up in the comments and let's chat. And remember, always do your own research. Invest smart. Quite the day in techland, right? From Google's cloud and AI advancements with Wipro, to YouTube's new bedtime buddy feature and the upcoming Pixel 9 launch in India, Google really stole the show today. Palantir's earnings estimates are lighting up like a New Year's Eve firework, making it a hot pick for investors. EverCommerce is gearing up to showcase its brilliance at major conferences next month, while Trump media continues its roller coaster stock journey amid political buzz and intriguing stock patterns. If you enjoyed today's updates, give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and share it with fellow tech enthusiasts. Don't forget to tune in tomorrow for another round of the latest and greatest in the tech world.